So this short video shows you how to search and look at the valve details that sit within the SmartValve Web App. So I've logged on to SmartValve Web App now, and I'm clicking on the valves navigation on the left-hand side. So once you click on there, you get a number of options. First of all, you have the ability to search for a valve. So here I've got one already pre-searched, which is the valve asset number, which is a unique number. And if you click search, that will then pull back that valve with that asset number. So if I clear that off and have nothing in there, you'll see it's got the full list of valves that are in the system. Now, obviously, most water companies will have 250,000 plus valves, so they are paginated and the pages will go on and on. But it has all the valves in list form there. But the main way of searching for it, as we said, is by typing in a particular valve asset number, which is unique, hitting search or hit the return key, and it will pull back that valve. So within there, it gives you the basic information about the valve, so its name, its number, its status, whether it's open or closed, the type of valve, the size, and its location. So you can actually, if you click on View Details, look at the further detail of that particular valve. So here it's giving you all of that information again, plus some more information around its operational status. Here you can look at the images associated with that valve by scrolling backwards and forwards. Again, these are any test images, as you can see. And then it will show you the latest activity on that valve, what that activity was. And again, these are hyperlinks, so you can click on that and it'll take me through to that turn. It's completed by me and the date of its completion. So if you click on that, that will take you through to my user details as well. But if we just do that, just to quickly show you what that means. So this will be the turn operation that was completed on that valve. So it will tell you exactly how that valve was turned. It will give you the graph, and it will obviously allow you to visualize how that valve was operated. So it's a really easy way to get through to operational details on valves that you're looking for. You have the full history in here, so this is scrollable here by clicking these arrows. So it tells you everything that's gone on with that particular valve throughout its history, and that will just build and build and build. So that's a really easy way to have a look at the valve detail. If you go back to the main valve screen, you can also do other things. So you can look at the operations that are linked to that valve just by clicking on that first icon there. You can edit it by hitting the pencil, or you can delete the valve as well. So if a valve was added by mistake, you can delete it. Any deletion within the system is a soft delete. So it will remove it from the view, but it won't delete it from the database. So we can access it if that's done by mistake. If we hit on edit valve, this will give you all of the information about the valve. So it's asset number name. You can make it a critical valve by clicking that box. You can change any of its physical information, any of its valve detail information. Again, these are drop-down menus. Change the valve in and out pressure. You can change its location should you want to as well, and you can also add or change its valve turn profile. So the valve turn profile is the way that SmartValve's telling the technicians to turn a particular valve. So on this one, it's just got a one step, which is turn 2 turns clockwise at no more than 5 RPM. But you can build your own turn profiles in here, and that will assign them to that valve. So all this physical information about the valve is available to be changed at any time in the edit function. If I just hit back to list there. Other things you can do is you can actually search for valves on a map as well. So if you click the map search at the top, that will show you where your valves are located. We've also got some test ones all over the world here, but you can then zoom in on this map, have a look at where the valves are, and actually visualize them as it breaks down as you zoom into the map. As we get closer in, it will show you where these particular valves are. So again, you can click on these valves directly from the map. And these are color coded as well, so I'm not sure if you can quite see there, but that one is actually red. I do that, so that means that valve is closed. I think there's a couple down here that are green as well. That means it's open. So you can have a look through the map view as well. Or we can go back to the list. And then finally, we have the ability to create a new valve. There should really be no reason to create a new valve within the system because they should all be updated and imported from your GIS system. But if you do want to add one, you can add it by adding all the physical information in and creating the asset number. Press and create, and that will create a new one in the system.